Artificial intelligence already runs our lives. Our children grow up with computers that respond, listen, recommend, predict, and learn new things quickly. But often we adults talk about AI as something scary. I believe we should talk about AI in an optimistic and pragmatic way because our children, they deserve to learn about the things that affect their world and their future. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is a group of computer software and hardware that works sensibly in a new situation. Artificial intelligence can be a robot or a machine, but it can also be a calculating program inside an app or a bot that pops up on the computer screen. AI is quietly taking over communications, finance, city planning, and tons of other areas of life we haven't thought about yet. Sparkling, spotless, and new AI technologies might make it easy to believe that computers have all the solutions, but that's not true. Even the most advanced AI of the day has very limited intelligence, and even though it can surpass humans in some domains, it might be baffled with tasks a 6-year-old can do. AI lacks common sense. Which one, the human or the computer, is good at calculating together 1 million billion zillion plus 1 billion billion zillion?
Computer!
Who knows how to flip awesome pancakes almost without practice?
Humans!
And who knows, for who is it easy to know all the possible moves ever played in chess?
Computer!
Recognizing AI is not always easy because it's usually hiding and helps only when needed. If the object or device understands speech, recognizes objects, adjusts its behavior according to the situation, or knows how to recommend things just for you, it is likely to have AI. AI also changes. When something has become everyday, we don't call it AI anymore. So, which one of these cameras do you think has AI? So how do computers learn? The human brain learns to recognize a pineapple, a hairbrush, or a cat with very few examples. The computer, on the other hand, it needs thousands of examples to learn. Why are we so excited about AI right now? It's because of something called machine learning. Machine learning is used, for example, in computer games, search engines, video recommendations, or phone assistants, pretty much everywhere. Machine learning became popular because all of a sudden we had data. The likes, clicks, and pictures. Lots and lots of data. The machine can be taught to identify a cat by first giving it many examples of cats. So first humans think of a problem they want to solve with machine learning and collect training data for the machine. Then the training data is fed to the computer. The human gives the machine a suitable training algorithm to solve the problem. There are thousands of different training algorithms to choose from. With the help of the training data, teaching algorithms, and machine learning, the machine builds a model. One can verify with new data that the model works correctly. The machine updates its model as it receives more information. The goal of machine learning is to find a model that answers the questions correctly most of the time. When the machine answers the question, it does not know the answer for sure, but it predicts a probability. Machine learning can also be understood through the I/O, or the input-output process we talked about earlier. 160,000 completed Go games, recordings of children's discussions, videos that other people have liked, or old sports stories can all be input data. The incoming input data is processed, and the processing or turning the data into something humans can see is nowadays often done by the GPU, or the graphics processing unit. And the output, it shows the end result of the process, like a computer that knows how to play Go, a toy that recognizes what is being said, a video channel that recommends new videos, or sports news that are automatically updated. Robots are often pictured as human-like machines, but there are many kinds of robots in the world. A robot can be a diving machine exploring the seabed, a drone flying in the air, or even a washing machine taking care of the dishes. A robot may seem human, but its behavior is based on sensors and machine learning. Thanks to computer vision and image recognition, a computer can find familiar faces from an image or read the recipient's address from an envelope. With speech and image recognition, the computer understands spoken and written text. Computers learn from us humans what is right and wrong. But sometimes we humans move our own prejudices to the machine. Some of the strange decisions AI makes happen because the training dataset is biased. Can you figure out what the computer misunderstood? Where is the bias and how would you change the training data? Counting, logic, and routines are the area where AI excels. And not all problems can be solved by algorithms. Some problems are not computable, or no machine exists that has the resources required to execute the algorithm. In the future, artificial intelligence will replace parts of the jobs we have nowadays. But not all tasks can or should be done by machines. Social skills, compassion, and imagination are among human strengths. Also, our attitudes about what productive work looks like may shift. Activities like caring for the elderly, raising orchids, or playing in an orchestra might be our domain. Is AI a dog, a ghost, a friend, an assistant, an eager beaver, or something completely different? It is certain that together human and AI can be great co-workers. But getting there will require technologists, companies, government, civil society, and the wider public to work together.
Dear Linda, why should all children get a chance to learn about computers?